Let's fix your SIM card if it's not working on your iPhone. Now, if you're trying to basically use your SIM card to call somebody, use your mobile network, but it's not working, I'm going to walk you through a few different steps to get that fixed. The first thing that we'll do is we will go into settings here. Let me go back to the top. We're going to toggle on airplane mode. This disconnects from your carrier network. And then I'm going to toggle that airplane mode back off. You can see at the top right, it reconnects to that carrier. Sometimes just disconnecting and reconnecting again helps to fix any of those issues. Now, another thing that you can do is let's go down and go to General and then About. Now, if you scroll down towards the bottom here, you can see under eSIM or your carrier, your SIM card, and you can potentially have a firmware update. So if you're on this screen and there is an update to your firmware, it will just pop up and say you need to update. And a lot of times this fixes any kind of SIM card that's not working or not connecting to that carrier. Now, the next thing we'll do is we'll go back and tap on software update. You want to check and make sure that you have the latest version of iOS because sometimes there are glitches or bugs in those SIM cards, and just updating your iOS will help to fix any kind of bug. Now, we go through all of those different steps. The last thing that we'll do on the software side is we'll go down and hit on transfer or reset iPhone, and then hit reset and reset network settings, that second option. This will disconnect and reset all of those network settings, including with your SIM card back to factory default, and then it'll reconnect everything. If you go through all of these different steps, potentially there's an issue with that physical SIM card. You might just want to pop out your SIM card and then clean it, clean that whole area, clean the port, and then put it back in. Or you could always, if you have a newer phone, switch over to an electronic SIM card, an eSIM. So if we go back and go to cellular, you can see I have an eSIM here, and all you have to do is hit add eSIM, and then you can add this electronic eSIM. Sometimes these are better because you're not relying on physical hardware that can get scratched or damaged. It's just an electronic SIM card, and basically you don't have to worry about that port getting dusty and dirty and not working, all of that stuff. Sometimes you'll need to contact your carrier to have them provide this information, the QR code or the details to be able to enter in and verify that eSIM. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.